Well, down through the years, one of the single biggest problems with coloured concrete paving is that you get this white appearance on the surface, which really spoils the colour of the paving. In the trade, it's known as efflorescence. Imagine this is a paver down in the ground and it starts to rain. As it starts to rain, some of it will be absorbed into the surface of the concrete. There will be some cement in there and some of this material called free lime, which is actually calcium hydroxide. The water which has gone down into the concrete starts to react with this calcium hydroxide. As the brick starts to dry, it drags some of this calcium hydroxide to the surface. Then you have a chemical reaction, which is this calcium hydroxide, water, and carbon dioxide, which we have in the air, and together they form a white material called calcium carbonate. And that is the phenomenon of efflorescence. If you have a concrete and it's not treated, then every time it gets wet, you have the potential when it dries to produce some of this white material on the surface, and that will spoil the appearance. There is a great solution to this problem. Bricks, after they're made, they go into this curing area and the concrete is allowed to harden. When they're in there, we actually pump a warm vapour into the atmosphere, and what that does is it transforms the chemistry around the surface of the brick, and it actually effectively stops the efflorescence. It's like magic. So when we installed this in our first factory, because it was so successful, then we put it into each of our factories. It was a considerable investment, which is why probably some other people haven't done it, but we believe the benefits completely outweigh the costs.